America, with marketing, in my experience, it's always about doing things first. Like all of the clients want to be the first one to do it. They always want to test the technology first. There's AdTech startups popping up like every couple days. And sort of the ecosystem is just so big. When I went to, and I think the idea with selling things through in America is always like, you can sell things through with like, this would be awesome if we did this. Like it would be amazing. Like this is the coolest tech ever. And like that will work, right? And then I remember when I would go to France and try to sell in that same way, an idea or concept. It was like, no, show me the actual information. I need to see the numbers. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Numbers? Like, it's cool. And so it was just more of a sort of numbers-based approach, I felt like. And then Japan, I think, is that even more exponentially, which is, not being sold through on things being cool and awesome, but really trying to understand sort of end to end how things work and really understand not only the positives of trying or testing or doing this particular solution, but what are the negatives? What are the potential negative impact that this could have on my business, et cetera, et cetera. And so you really have to think it through. And I remember being very frustrated coming here and like having to do a number of different exercises to prove a point. Like, okay, now do it with like a $10,000 budget. Now do it with $1 million budget, Yeah. And you're just like, what? It's cool. Let's just do it. But I think that's really helped me, is kind of going to each of those markets and trying to understand. And I would say the last part of this is, I think you kind of have to have a very global point of view now. I mean, most of the brands I work for are present in many markets. I think also with sort of globalization and social media and everything, I think you have to really think about what's going on everywhere, and try to sort of, I think that's what sets you apart, like having a bit of a global mindset and being able to understand that, whether that's creative, like this will work in this market but won't work in that one, or we should say this or we should say that, or, in Japan, Yahoo's bigger than Google, that kind of thing that you just have to sort of understand. So, yeah.